Next, we want to add text that can be read aloud for visually impaired viewers. Our mode, we're going to switch to design mode. We're going to click the image we want to use. And again, we can go to Window and Properties. And here is my alt text, Facebook logo. I can click here for my Pinterest logo. Finally, we may be asked to run a report and see if there are any missing alt text for our site. The question will be, is on your test, you'll need to see if it specifies to run it for the web page or the entire website. But we should go to Site, Report, and then choose the missing alt text. If we're able to do this successfully, we will want to save it as errors to fix. But again, I only have one error, so I'm not sure if this example will actually work as good. So we're going to go to Site, Reports, and see here where it says Current Document. You may need to choose all of the files in the site depending on what the directions say to do. And I'm going to choose the missing alt text and run. And if it's done correctly, there should be a place here that has a report, and it will ask us to save it. Okay, so finally here are my site reports, and it's telling me the name and the line number and that it's missing. And to save it, I'm going to click the Save button, and I'm going to call this Errors to Fix. Okay, and it will tell us where to save it, and just click Save. Okay, and then we can close out of that. So again, it's really easy to add your alt text. Again, in the design view, we can really just click here and go to Properties and add it just like that. And then we may or may not need to also add a text. Here is where you could adjust the size of an image as well. So for example, the Facebook over here at the height is 72. So over here on Twitter, we may want to make this size 72, so that way it's the same. And this keeps the aspect ratio locked. So that means if we adjust the width, it will automatically adjust the height.